YouTube channel. In today's video guys, as you can see at the title above, this is going to be a summer makeup tutorial and ito yung kinalabasan. So girly, so fresh looking makeup tutorial. Guys, if you wanna know how I did this look, just keep on watching. And if you're not yet subscribing to my channel, please do subscribe to be a part of #FamilyJill and click the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I post a video here on my channel. And hey guys, without further ado, let's get on to the video.
And it goes a little something like
guys, my summer makeup tutorial. So, nagpalit lang ako ng damit and I curled my hair. And here's the final look, guys. If you like this kind of video, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I post a video here on my channel. And comment down below any video suggestion and I'll try my best to do it, guys. And to be a part of #FamilyJill. So, yeah guys, see you in my next video. Bye!